हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय न्यू व्लॉग। सो जैसे सबको पता है, कुछ दिन पहले ही नाइकाज हॉट पिंक सेल वाज लाइव एंड उसी दौरान मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऑर्डर की थी नाइका से एंड उनमें से बहुत सारे रिक्वायरमेंट्स भी थे जो मैं ऑन अ डेली बेसिस यूज़ करती हूँ एंड कुछ नया प्रोडक्ट्स भी मैं ऑर्डर की हूँ जस्ट बिकॉज आई थॉट कि इंक्लूडिंग देम ऑन माई स्किन केयर रूटीन विल बी बेटर। सो लेट्स जस्ट चेक आउट, लेट्स अनबॉक्स देम एंड देखते हैं मैंने क्या ऑर्डर किया है एंड व्हाट वी हैव रिसीव्ड. So let's jump into the video. So मैंने मिनिमलिस्ट के दो प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर किए थे. एक है रेटिनॉइड 2%, जो कि आप सबको पता है, मैंने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी बोला है दैट आई यूज इट फॉर, इट इज़ अ फेस क्रीम, इट रिड्यूसेस साइंस ऑफ एजिंग एंड ये डेली मैं अपने रूटीन में इंक्लूड करती हूँ. आई अप्लाई इट आफ्टर टेकिंग शावर एंड ये तो ख़त्म हो गया था, सो ऑब्वियसली आई ऑर्डर्ड इट. एंड दिस वन आई थॉट दिस इज नियासिनामाइड 10% फेस सीरम. Before it I have never used any serum on my face, but as you can see, I'm just giving you a closer view. I don't know why these acne has started on my forehead, and because of which I thought including niacinamide in my routine will be a good thing, because it has proven that it reduces acne on your face. I have obviously done research before buying it, and let's see. I have never tried niacinamide serum or any serum on my face. I'll definitely tell you guys in my vlog, in my upcoming vlogs, that is it working or not. So this is one of the new products that I'll be including in my skincare routine. So yeah, let's see. And as you can see, the acnes are visible एकदम clearly. So let's just hope for the best. And उसके साथ मैंने ये दो products यूज़ किए थे. तो अभी क्योंकि पिंक सेल लाइव था, बिकॉज ऑफ विच बहुत सारे फ्री प्रोडक्ट्स भी आए हैं. आई विल शो यू गाइज. तो ये एक फ्री प्रोडक्ट आया है, लाइट फ्लूइड SPF 50 फेस सनस्क्रीन. बट आप सबको पता है सनस्क्रीन में मिनिमलिस्ट का यूज नहीं करती, मैं लैक्मे का यूज करती हूँ, टिंटेड वाला. बट या अगर ये आ गया है फ्री में, देन समटाइम्स आई अप्लाई एंड see if it is better. I mean, it's good to change your skincare products time to time. It's not very good or not very advisable to stick to just one product throughout your life, because changing products has shown many positive results in many people's cases. I have heard it about, I have read about it. So we'll see. I mean, apply करेंगे कभी कभार and see what's the difference, right? So guys, as you all know that all over internet चारों तरफ ये content है about snail mucin and it's amazingly hydrating nature. तो उसी को देख के I thought that let's give it a try. और मैंने snail mucin का क्रीम और एसेंस ऑर्डर किया है and also a toner from the brand COSRX, जो कि is well known because of its snail mucin product. तो ये आप जो देख रहे हैं, this is snail mucin essence. So this is basically for normal to oily skin, and this snail mucin cream which have 92% of snail mucin. This is for dry, and people who have dry skin, they can use the essence as well as the cream. Because obviously because of the dryness of the face, it need more moisture, it need more hydration. So it's completely fine if you have dry skin and if you are using the essence and cream both. And because I have dry skin, I have ordered both the product and I want to try and see what's the difference and how it works. And also I have ordered a small toner of the same brand, because the most important part is you cannot apply this product bare skin or on just dry skin. You have to at least apply some toner or at least maybe some rose water before applying it, otherwise it won't work. सो उसकी वजह से आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस. सो आई यूज दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड श्योरली गिव यू अ रिव्यू अबाउट इट. और ये दोनों मेरे सुख दुख के साथी, तो ये भी खत्म हो गए थे. दिस इज आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड इन माय स्किन केयर व्लॉग अबाउट द ceramides and hyaluronic acid face cream. This acts as a moisturizer, prevents skin barrier. It's a good one, guys. I use it on a daily basis on my skincare routine, and this obviously is my favorite sunscreen because it doesn't give that oily and white cast on your face. It just make your skin look really better, as if you are applying some light makeup on your face because of the tint in it. So yeah, these two are my go-to. So I have ordered, this is from Lakme sunscreen tint hint. This is the new package, and this is from Dot & Key skincare with ceramides and hyaluronic acid face cream, pH 5.5. So yeah, and I have also ordered few products from M Caffeine. This is also the first time I'm going to try the products of M Caffeine. I know it may not sound very real, but I have never used products from M Caffeine. So this is M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Under Eye Cream. This I have ordered because I generally have puffiness and dark circle under my eye, and because of which I thought to include it in my routine. My D also recommended this because she is using it for a long period of time. So let's see if it reduces that puffiness and that under eye dark circles. Okay, and उसके बाद मैंने ऑर्डर किया है वही कॉफ़ी हाइड्रोजेल अंडर आई पैचेस, जो कि पैचेस जैसा रहता है. आई विल शो यू गाइज. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो आई एम ट्राइंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, नॉट ऑफ M Caffeine, nor of any other brand. I have never used these patches before, so we'll see. Oh, it's again sealed, lots of sealing now. Good. Alright. Okay. It comes with a spoon. This is how. Oh, it's so watery. Okay, I'm loving the texture, but not very prominent smell, but very mild smell, and the texture is pretty good. Yeah, I mean, I'm excited to try it. And the under eye cream, oh, it comes with natural 100% vegan. Okay, and this is the under eye cream, I guess. Here, okay, this is also sealed. After lots of manna, the seal is finally open. So this is how it looks. You can see, I guess this is how I'm going to roll it, and the cream will come open through here. Yeah, it looks good. And these two are the free products that I received. Can you imagine this? M Caffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Face Serum, free. Although I paid for all these products, and also there are more, around 1200, but I'm happy with the kind of products I have received. I mean, it's huge discount, I must say. And this is also a free product. It was here. Small cute coffee face wash and coffee face scrub. Nice, I'm happy. And this is also green tea face serum. As I said, I have never used any face serum before. Let's see, I'll use it. I've also ordered lots of face masks from M Caffeine. I'll show you guys after unboxing all these. Can you see? One is of vitamin C face sheet, and another is of coconut water, hyaluronic acid. There are more, I'll show you. 10 face sheet mask from M Caffeine. One is with fruit AHA mix, niacinamide, vitamin C, coconut water, hyaluronic acid. So there are a lot. 10 face mask with all these products, and all the products that I have ordered and I have shown you guys till now has come in and around 1200 and 1300. I am very happy with the price in which I got all these. So till now the experience with Nykaa is really good, and I must say that go and buy different products from Nykaa because it's worth buying. There are different discounts all the time. I mean, at least this is not sponsored, nothing. I just have a very good experience with Nykaa, and all the products that I have got till date, never disappointed. So go ahead. And yeah, that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.